So guys, this is the top and this is my very pretty top from very beautiful yellow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rangita Khiriju and I hope you guys are doing great. So in this whole video, I'm gonna show you guys total 8 piece of tops from Myntra, and all my collections are as usual so damn cute, very Pinteresty, very Korean. So without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, my first purchase of cute tops from Myntra is this yellow top. So guys, this is the top and it is so Pinteresty guys. It's very cute. The top is so cute. You can see that the color is so pretty, design everything is so great. The fabric of the top is so great guys. Look at the design here. It has lace here in middle of this thing, and also it has got some stripes which you have to tie and you can style it. So this is my first top from Myntra and I love this top very much. Okay, the best thing about this top is that it's fabric. The fabric is so great, huh? And I got this top at 3 to 400 something. I don't remember the exact price. And the size I've ordered, it's in large size. So the actual price of this top is 9.99. So this is a very cute, a must-have top from summer, and the brand is from Dressberry. So the name of the brand is Dressberry. So yeah, this is my very cute top, and also it has got lace all over this area. You can see that this is the lace things. So yeah, this is a very cute top from Myntra. So this is my first top, and let me show you guys my another top from Myntra, which is this is in this brown color. So this is my very pretty top from Myntra. This top is very sexy guys, see. So this is the top, and again I love this top very much. Okay, it's very pretty, the color is so great. Okay, and design everything is good, but the only problem with this top is that I've ordered in large size. I think it's medium. Okay, the size I've ordered is in medium, but the size was very tight, like very loose for me. I've tried this and the size is very loose for me, so I think I'm gonna exchange this one. But also I have one serious issue with this top is that this area, this one is very long. Okay, the V shape here, this area is very long, so because of that, like इतना तक आ रहा था मुझे. So yeah, maybe size का कारण से भी या पता नहीं, but I don't like this area. Usually I love this kind of design, but इसका ज़्यादा ही deep हो गया, जो कि मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं लगा. Anyway, so this is my very pretty brown top from Myntra. This is the overall design of this top, and I got this at, I don't remember. The actual price is 7.99. I'm gonna uh, attach price here. So this is my second top, and the third top I have ordered from Myntra is this. Ta-da! So this is a very beautiful yellow top from Myntra. I love this top very much. Okay, मैंने इसे खुद के लिए लाइक मैंने सोचा था कि कहाँ कहीं पे मैं कॉफी शॉप पे जाने वाली हूँ कहीं कुछ दिन के बाद कॉफी, तो मैं वहां इसे पहन के जाऊंगी. बट नाउ द प्रॉब्लम विद दिस टॉप इज दैट fitting size. Let me see first which size I have ordered in M size, but I think small size में ठीक होगा या क्या पता नहीं. But the size, I don't like the size of this top. Okay, the size is not good. Actually design everything is so great. Okay, the you can see that the color combination, which is white and brown blue, it's so beautiful. But the problem with this top is that its size like both ही साइज एंड ऑल्सो लाइक द फिटिंग. हाँ, इसका फिटिंग ये सब ये एरिया में मुझे ज्यादा लूज हो रहा था. यहाँ 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 बिल्कुल भी मुझे अच्छा नहीं आ रहा था फिटिंग, इसलिए मुझे इसे रिटर्न ही करना पड़ेगा. बट गाइस, यू कैन सी दैट इट्स वेरी प्रीटी. ओके, द टॉप इज सो प्रीटी. पर जिसका भी बॉडी बहुत सुंदर आ रहा होते, यू गाइस कैन इजीली वेयर दिस बिकॉज दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टॉप. इट इज फुल स्लीव. अगेन दिस इज द डिजाइन ऑफ दिस hand area, and this is from the back side. So yeah, I love this top. The cute lace thing here, it's beautiful. The stripe here, it's nice. Everything is good. Okay, and the price, I think it was 500 something. I don't remember the exact price, but yeah, it was the price. So this is my another beautiful top from Myntra. Let me show you my fourth top, which is this guys. So ta-da, this is my fourth top from Myntra guys. I love this top very much. Okay, I think this is the only top जो मेरा मुझ पे फिटिंग एकदम परफेक्टली आ रहा था. इसका फिटिंग ठीक है, बाकी सारा का फिटिंग तो बहुत ही ठीक नहीं आ रहा था, बट इसका फिटिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छा आ रहा था. So I love this top very much. Like this is how it looks from the back side. This is from this front part, and it has got some little lace here. See, some lace, and then यहाँ पे यू हैव टू टाई इट लाइक दिस, ऐसा करके दिया है डिजाइन। inside पे you can see that this is how it looks and then you have to tie this too, तभी ये डिजाइन आएगा. So this is my very like very good top from Meesho because the fabric is very great, design is so good and the color is very color ना it's creamy color हाँ, like वीडियो पे पता नहीं कलर इतना अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है but reality the color is very good. I love the color very much, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा कलर है. So this is my I don't know कितना हो गया. So let me show you my another top from Myntra, which is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is my pretty top from Myntra. So this is how it looks. So here is my another top and I love this top very much. Okay, you can see that the top is so pretty. The color is very nice. I love the color and the design. Everything is great. The box shape design is so pretty and also this area you can see that यहाँ पे भी again you have got the stripes which you have to tie it and then यहाँ पे भी इस तरह का डिजाइन. Actually मैंने सारा टॉप like बो पे ही मंगाया है I think क्योंकि सारा स्ट्राइप वाला जिससे you have to like design it in a bow shape. तो या दिस इज माय अनदर ब्यूटीफुल टॉप फ्रॉम मिंत्रा एंड इतना कुछ तो नहीं है बट इसका क्वालिटी भी बहुत ही अच्छा ही है, लाइक अ डिसेंट टॉप, बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रीटी टॉप है. प्राइस भी इतना एक्सपेंसिव नहीं था आई गेस एंड द साइज आई ऑर्डर इज इन एम साइज. सो दिस इज माय अनदर pretty top from Myntra. So yeah, I love this top and also you guys will get so many different colors in this kind of designs. And my another, this is a shirt. Okay, it's a crop shirt which is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is my crop shirt from Myntra. So yeah, this is a very beautiful crop shirt. I love this crop shirt very much. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. Design is so great and the little rose given here all over the shirt is very pretty. Again मैंने कहा है that I have ordered most of my this actually all only ऐसे बो शेप वाला ही मैंने ऑर्डर किया है. तो 1 2 3 यहाँ पे 3 स्टेप्स you will have and then this is how it looks from the back side. So again the quality fabric everything of this top is good. Okay, it's a must have crop shirt क्योंकि बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ये वाला डिज़ाइन भी काफ़ी अच्छा है and mid size I've ordered it's in M size I guess, it's large size. ठीक है, तो I think मैं इसे ना मुझे ये चाहिए ये लैपटॉप, तो इसे मैं रिटर्न भी नहीं करूंगी. आई थिंक आई एम गोना एक्सचेंज दिस वन एंड आई विल गेट माय सेल्फ इन स्मॉल साइज. व्हिच साइज इज इट्स एल एंड आई विल गेट माय सेल्फ इन एम साइज क्योंकि मैंने इसे ऑलरेडी ट्राई किया एंड दैट साइज इतना अच्छा नहीं है मेरा लिए, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लूज हो गया. तो या दिस इज माय वेरी नाइस crop shirt from Myntra. So my last order from Myntra is this is again top or shirt. Yeah, it's a shirt which is no it's top which is this. Ta-da! So guys, this is my very again pretty this top from Myntra. This is how it looks. So yeah, I love this top. Again, it's very nice, बहुत ही pretty करके है, अच्छा ही है, इतना खराब भी नहीं है. The both thing here it's again beautiful. Same actually मेरा सारा टॉप ना पूरा सेम डिजाइन का ही है. यहाँ पे ये एरिया वाला इतना कुछ नहीं है, इन सब में डिफरेंट पूरा सेम है. This is how it looks. ये इसका हैंड पार्ट, यहाँ पे भी you will get this thing which you have to tie it on both the side I guess. Yeah. So yeah, this is my nice top. इसका फैब्रिक भी बहुत ही अच्छा है and this one is best for summer guys. I think I got this and I don't remember size. I've ordered is in M size. So yeah guys, these are my collections of top from Myntra. Do let me know which one you guys like the most and also make sure to subscribe my channel. वैसे तो मैंने कुछ का मैंने ट्राई ऑन नहीं किया है क्योंकि फिटिंग वगैरह ऐसा ऐसे मुझ पर बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, बट जिसका मैंने ट्राई किया तो मैं डाल दूंगी, फुटेज डाला है तो देख लेना. बाय.